So we still have a quarter left before 2021 comes to an end, but like always, there are already leaks and rumors regarding phones that are launching in 2022. As we know, Samsung will be launching its Galaxy S22 series in the first quarter next year, and it will include at least 3 phones: the regular S22, the S22 Plus, and the S22 Ultra. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is going to be Samsung's highest end premium phone for the rest of the year, excluding the foldables. And now we got to see the design of this phone, as the unofficial renders of Galaxy S22 Ultra were shared by OnLeaks. Now it is pretty early to say whether this will indeed be the final design of the phone, but still, when it comes to OnLeaks, he has a pretty impressive record in the past, so we definitely need to talk about this design. First of all, keeping everything else on the side, let's talk about that camera module. Because I know after looking at these images, the very first thought that all of you got was, what is that camera module design? This year's S21 Ultra had a beautiful design on the back, with the camera module designed in such a way that it seemed to be extending from the frame. But when it comes to the Galaxy S22 Ultra's camera module, it has a P-shaped design, not even a complete rectangle. The camera arrangement is the same with those quad lenses, so it should have been better if they had kept the same camera module design, or maybe changed it to something like this. But whatever, if this P-shaped camera module is what we are going to see in the final model, then it should not be wrong to say that this definitely does not look good. Ice Universe, who is a very reliable source for Samsung related stuff, said that this is not how the camera module of the Galaxy S22 Ultra is supposed to look like. And even OnLeaks said that these sort of little design refinements can happen until the phone is officially launched. But still, he said that the design that he showed in the renders is quite accurate. And now moving on to the other design elements, we can see that Samsung has went all out this time by adding every single Galaxy Note design element in the Galaxy S22 Ultra's design. So this time there are no curved sides, as the phone now has squared off edges. The top and bottom sides are completely flat this time, again something we used to see on the Galaxy Note devices. And last but not the least, the S Pen slot is now there on the S22 Ultra. So this might mean that Samsung is done with the Galaxy Note series and we won't get more phones under this series. This is because whatever unique the Galaxy Note series had in terms of design or the functionality will now be there on the Galaxy S series, like that boxy shape, a huge display, an S Pen slot, flat top and bottom sides, etc. In fact, the Galaxy Note series became obsolete this year with the launch of Galaxy S21 Ultra, because this year Samsung brought S Pen support to the Galaxy S series as well. And moreover, the foldable phones from Samsung now support the S Pen, so a feature that was once exclusive to the Note series is no longer exclusive. So yeah, that's all about this newest leak related to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and again, I hope that the camera module does not look like what these renders reveal, as I would rather prefer the camera module of this year's S21 Ultra instead of this weird looking P-shaped design. What do you think? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.